What's up, y'all? It's your boy Daniel. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I'm really excited about this video. You can notice something a little different about me. I'm sure that you guys can see from the title of this video, then you guys know that I had my lips filled yesterday. Don't they look great? I think they look really good. By the time this video goes up, my birthday will have come and gone. Yesterday, I went down to New York City and I went to a place called Body Factory Skincare, and they have about 3 locations in Manhattan. I went to the Upper East Side location and I had a really, really great experience. This video is not necessarily gonna be like the rest of my content, but I thought it would be really, really cool to show you guys kind of the ins and outs of what happens when someone does get lip filler. So I did record the entire experience. This video isn't going to be a lot of like heavy editing like it normally is on my channel, but I thought it would be a really cool experience to like film that for you guys. So warning, obviously there is going to be some graphic content, including needles and blood in this video. I figure might as well get a video like this out of the way before I actually am monetized, because you know your girl ain't yet. I have gotten lip filler before, however, I didn't do quite enough research into the type of filler that I was getting. So while I did kind of like the result, it really didn't do very much in terms of volume for my lips, which is what I wanted. As you guys can see from my other videos, I have just a slump in the bottom of my face, and now I don't. They are swollen right now, so they do look a little weird. Especially when I'm talking, especially this side, because this is where we really needed to like even out a lot of the asymmetry of my lips. So there is a lot more filler right in this top lip than there is on this side of it. So it's looking a little strange right now, but I'm really happy with the result. I went and saw RN aesthetic injector Derek Ferranti. He was incredible. He was so great, very, very thorough. Made sure that we were gonna get the result that I absolutely wanted. It was minimally painful, but you guys will see from the footage that it was slightly painful, but he did a really, really great job. So without further ado, here is my experience getting some lip filler. I'm gonna try not to get it on my tongue this time.
Yeah.
The last time my entire face was numb.
Really? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you don't want to get it on your tongue. This is not the glamorous part of
Numbing cream is on, and now we wait. This numbing cream sucks, but it's a lot better than getting just a bunch of needles stuck in your lips, so that's fun. This is a horrible angle.
How are we doing?
Very numb.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's numbing medication inside of the filler as well, so you're going to get it from the outside and the injection as well. Just trying to see how we're going to start off here.
It's somehow less painful than last time.
Yeah. Good for me, not so good for them. the shape of your lip, I'm trying to get this part out here. It might be a little tricky to do.
It's definitely what I want. I said that's definitely what I want.
Yeah. Okay, then. Move on to this side. This will give you definition on your lip line here. You definitely have lips now.
Thank God. Love that.
Get this one little corner here. To your bottom lip, okay? I don't think your bottom needs that much.
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do is, right inside the little fat pads, right here, in here, I'm gonna give them just a splash, okay?
Oh, they look good.
What do you think?
They look good.
Yeah. just like a splash more, just for like touching up areas. What do you think?
Can we maybe even out the bottom on this side?
I see, yeah. Your natural anatomy, you're fuller on this side there.
Yeah. So they said last time.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Okay, I think we got it. I think you have just one little splash left. I want to put it right in this corner, this spot. Beautiful.
Yeah, literally. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. I'm just gonna massage them, okay?
Yeah. This is the perfect birthday gift.
Oh, it's your birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Today?
Mm-hmm.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
So you a Cancer, or are we like out of Cancer season?
We are Leo.
Do you have anything besides these exciting new lips planned?
Nope.
That's good enough.
Like the older I get, the less exciting it is, I feel like.
So this is just basically smoothing out the product, okay? Making sure that everything stays nice and even. You know, tomorrow, the day after, you might feel like it shouldn't feel lumpy, but if you feel like a little like hardened area, this product is hydrophilic, which means it draws in some water. So that might be what you're feeling, but if you want, you shouldn't have to do this when you're finished. But just keep that in mind. It's probably just water retention.
One thing I'm thankful for, I don't want to get bruised very easily.
All right, we look perfect.
They look great. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Oh, they look great. Finally, I have lips.
Perfect. Super cute.
All right. Like I said, that footage was slightly graphic, but as you guys can see, it was a rather painless experience. You guys could see kind of my eye twitching in certain areas just because that filler, I got a Juvederm Ultra XC. That filler, most Juvederm has lidocaine in it, as well as I had numb lips, as you guys saw. So after the first like one poke, you can't really feel it anymore, especially at those points where you could kind of see him like digging around in my lips. Well, that was it, and I hope you guys enjoyed that experience. If you didn't, comment down below. If you did like this video, let me know that you guys like this content. I'm really happy to share this stuff with you guys. I really want to start kind of documenting things like that in my life for you guys and kind of incorporating it into beauty videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like me, please hit the subscribe button down below and make sure that you hit the notification bell icon because we are not new to YouTube. We know that the subscriber button doesn't work. So make sure you hit that notification bell icon so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.